Faris, with his richer tastes, obviously went for the lamb mandi, which comes with that sauce or gravy and a little bit of what looks like a salsa. It was delicious. The rice was the same as the other mandi, but the difference being this lovely succulent chunk of lamb meat. I went for the chicken mandi, which was 24 ringgits, almost half the price of the lamb mandi, but was as delicious and more healthy with a lovely, well cooked breast piece. Again, with the gravy or with the sauce, it was delicious. And even though I don't usually like salsa, we had it with the salsa as well. Here comes the fresh orange and pineapple juice at 17 ringgits, freshly squeezed. This was delicious. Faris was happy with it, got a little bit of a fragment of a seed in his throat. Nothing serious. I went for the Jamaican mix, same price. It was lovely. I chose not to have sugar. Overall, 9 out of 10 for this restaurant.